Hi, welcome to Aussie Yoga. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper pencil. Take a rectangular piece of paper like this. Fold it into half and unfold it. Now take the top and fold it. And now with the same fold, flip it and fold it into a triangle like this. So you'll get some shape like this. Now fold this further, something like this. Do the same for the other side. So you always have to make sure these folds are correct. So now flip it and fold it to an extent. So I'm going to fold it till there. Now go back, now flip it and fold it to the center line. Now when you flip it, your pencil is ready. Now we'll give some color to the lid. And if you want, you can go ahead and color the pencil part too. So this is how you make an origami pencil. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.